Go ahead.
The reflected child, emerging from vagina, beautiful. The true child emerging from the mother, giving life. The process of giving birth, the darkness, the closeness. It is trial by fire. The sound of the child's cry is the purest thing I've ever heard. She is our future. Who did you emerge from?